China has stood out globally for its rapid pace of technological innovations, particularly in the field of humanoid robotics. In recent years, the country has invested heavily in the development and construction of humanoid robots, with the goal of creating a true fleet of machines capable of performing a variety of functions across different sectors of the economy. This fleet aims not only to improve efficiency and industrial productivity, but also reflects China's ambition to consolidate its leadership in artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics on the global stage. The growing demand for automation, combined with challenges posed by labor shortages and expectations of an aging population, has driven the Chinese government and private companies to explore and implement robotic solutions. The initiative to create a fleet of humanoid robots is part of a broader strategic plan to position China as a global leader in artificial intelligence and advanced technologies by 2030. The goal is to build robots that are not only useful in specific industries but also capable of performing complex tasks in everyday environments, interacting with humans in a more natural and efficient way. The Chinese government has shown strong commitment to robotics, supporting technology companies and startups aiming to create humanoid robots. Over the past decade, the country has made efforts to develop an ecosystem that favors innovation. In 2024, the government announced plans to start mass production of humanoid robots by 2025, with a special focus on creating machines that can be used in sectors such as healthcare, education, manufacturing, and entertainment. The vision is for these robots to interact with humans in a manner as natural as a human would, understanding and responding to emotions, while also learning from the environment around them. Additionally, the mass production goals for humanoid robots align with China's broader aim to reduce reliance on human labor, especially for repetitive and dangerous tasks. Automation is also seen as a way to enhance the competitiveness of Chinese industries in the global market. With worker shortages in several industries, humanoid robots are seen as a viable and efficient solution to meet these demands. Several Chinese companies are leading the development of humanoid robots, and some of them have already demonstrated impressive innovations. Companies such as UB Tech, Hanson Robotics, and Cloudminds are investing heavily in research and development to create robots with increasingly advanced features. UB Tech, for example, has made headlines with its humanoid robot Walker, which is designed to work in industrial production environments. Walker can walk, interact with people, and perform specific tasks efficiently. Moreover, the company has developed AI systems that allow robots to adapt to different types of environments and situations. Another notable example is Hanson Robotics, which created the humanoid robot Sophia. While the robot was not initially designed for industrial purposes, Sophia represents a significant breakthrough in the creation of robots with artificial intelligence capable of simulating human facial expressions and holding conversations convincingly. The robot has been presented as an example of how AI can be used to improve social interaction, whether in customer service or in sectors like education and healthcare. China sees the potential for robots like Sophia to help fill gaps in the workforce, especially in sectors where social interaction is needed but where labor shortages exist. The growing interest in humanoid robots in China is also driving innovations in areas such as emotional intelligence and machine learning. The creation of robots that can understand and respond to human emotions is one of the most promising areas of AI research. Using AI to improve interactions between humans and robots not only makes the experience more natural, but also enables robots to be more effective in functions such as elderly care, customer service, and teaching. One of the main motivations for creating a fleet of humanoid robots in China is the transformation of the manufacturing industry. The country has heavily invested in automating its factories, and humanoid robots are seen as the next major innovation to optimize production and reduce costs. While industrial robots are already in use in various factories, humanoid robots have the potential to go beyond by performing more complex and adaptable tasks. Instead of being programmed to perform a fixed set of activities, humanoid robots can learn new skills based on their interaction with the environment, making them more versatile. A notable example of an industry that is adopting humanoid robots is electric vehicle production. Large companies such as NIO, one of China's leaders in the electric vehicle market, have been using humanoid robots to optimize assembly lines. These robots are designed to work side by side with humans, providing assistance with precision tasks and making the assembly process more efficient. Additionally, the ability for humanoid robots to learn new tasks and adapt to the working environment means they can be integrated into various functions within a factory. Another area where humanoid robots are proving promising is logistics. The delivery of packages and goods in urban areas, where traffic and road conditions can be challenging, can be facilitated by using robots that can navigate and deliver packages autonomously. China is testing humanoid robots for such tasks, with companies like JD.com, a giant in e-commerce, already using robots to make deliveries in urban areas. Challenges and ethical implications. Despite the enormous potential humanoid robots offer, there are several technical and ethical challenges that need to be addressed. The primary challenge lies in creating robots that can interact with humans in a natural way, without causing discomfort. Facial recognition and voice technology need to be improved for robots to better understand human emotions and respond more appropriately. Furthermore, the ethical question of replacing human labor with robots cannot be overlooked. While automation may increase efficiency and reduce costs, it also raises concerns about the impact on employment. The creation of a fleet of humanoid robots could result in significant job losses in sectors such as manufacturing, customer service, and healthcare. It is essential for Chinese authorities and companies to develop policies that mitigate these impacts, offering retraining opportunities for workers who may be affected by automation. Another point to consider is the use of robots in more sensitive contexts, such as elderly and childcare. Emotional interaction between humans and robots could raise concerns about becoming overly dependent on machines to meet basic human needs, which might affect the quality of interpersonal relationships and the experience of care. The future of humanoid robotics in China looks promising, with the creation of a fleet of humanoid robots that could transform the way industries operate and how people interact with technology. The mass production of humanoid robots will make them more widely available and accessible, which could bring significant benefits in areas such as healthcare, education, and manufacturing. However, it is important to remember that the humanoid robotics revolution will also require the creation of regulations to ensure that these machines are used ethically and responsibly. Collaboration between governments, companies, and researchers will be crucial to ensuring that advancements in humanoid robotics bring benefits to society as a whole without compromising social or economic well-being. China is undoubtedly at the forefront of the technological revolution in humanoid robotics. The creation of a fleet of humanoid robots could represent the next major leap in innovation and automation, positioning the country as a leader in the global AI and robotics scene. The key to the success of this revolution will be balancing technological innovation with social implications and ethical considerations, ensuring that humanity reaps the benefits of this new era of robotics.